Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet using Google Calendar full guide. It's a straightforward process and is perfect for organizing virtual meetings efficiently. Whether you're planning a business meeting, a personal catch-up, or a team hangout, Google Calendar paired with Google Meet makes it seamless. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Google Calendar is a versatile tool that not only tracks your appointments but also helps you organize your schedule and stay on top of everything. Once you're in Google Calendar, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top left corner of the page and find the Create button. Go ahead and click on Create. This is where you get to control all aspects of your event. You're essentially opening up a new panel that allows you to fill in the specifics of your meeting. Now, it's time to enter the details of your meeting. Start with the title. Since we're focusing on a business meeting today, you might want to use something descriptive yet concise, like weekly team sync or project kickoff. Next up, choose the date and time for your meeting that works best, making sure it aligns well with all attendees' schedules. Google Calendar allows you to specify whether the event is all day or set within a specific time frame. The next part of your event setup is adding your guests. Guests are essentially your invitees or participants for the meeting. Enter their email addresses in the designated field, and as you type, Google will help auto-complete the addresses if they are already in your contacts. Adding guests is crucial because it will send them an email invite, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding the meeting details. Moving on, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll find an option to add Google Meet video conferencing. Click on this and almost instantly, a Google Meet link will appear. This is your unique URL that serves as the door to your virtual meeting room. Make sure to keep this link safe and secure. After adding the conferencing link, you have the option to fill out additional details like a description, meeting agenda, or any relevant attachments. This step is perfect for providing context or supplementary information to your participants, ensuring everyone shows up prepared and aligned. Once you're happy with the setup and all necessary information is included, click on the Save button. Google Calendar may prompt you to send invites to your guests. Confirm, and voila, your meeting is officially scheduled. You and your guests will receive email notifications, and you'll find this event neatly tucked into your calendar. That's it. You've successfully scheduled a Google Meet meeting using Google Calendar. It's all about staying organized and connected, and with these tools, you've got that covered. Thanks for watching, and